Your smile is the first thing people notice about you. Unless you have spinach stuck between your teeth, in which case it's definitely the second. But oral hygiene isn't just about flashing pearly whites, it's about protecting your health, preventing painful dental problems, and keeping your breath fresh enough to hold a conversation without people subtly stepping back. Today we are diving into the ultimate daily tooth care routine backed by science and trusted dental authorities. Brushing, more than just a morning ritual. Brushing your teeth isn't just about smearing toothpaste and hoping for the best. According to the American Dental Association, you should brush twice a day for at least 2 minutes. The key is using a soft bristled toothbrush and holding it at a 45-degree angle to your gums. Brushing too hard might make you feel like you are scrubbing away cavities, but in reality, you are just wearing down your enamel, kind of like sanding down a priceless antique. Oh, and don't forget your tongue. It's a playground for bacteria that causes bad breath. Flossing, the underrated hero. If brushing is the superhero, flossing is the underrated sidekick that actually saves the day. Food and plaque get trapped between teeth, leading to cavities and gum disease. Flossing daily can prevent these problems, yet many people skip it, perhaps because it feels like threading a needle in your mouth, but trust me, it's worth the effort. Studies have shown that regular flossing reduces gum inflammation and even lowers the risk of heart disease by decreasing oral bacteria. Mouthwash, not just for fresh breath. Many people think mouthwash is just a quick fix for bad breath, but it actually has real benefits when used correctly. Antibacterial mouthwashes help kill germs that brushing and flossing miss, reducing plaque buildup and gum disease risk. However, switching mouthwash right after brushing can wash away fluoride from your toothpaste, like taking vitamins and immediately flushing them down with soda. Instead, use mouthwash at different time of day like lunch or dinner. Diet. Your teeth are what you eat. Your diet plays a massive role in oral health. Sugary foods and acidic drinks are your teeth's worst enemies, breaking down enamel and causing cavities. Instead, opt for crunchy fruits and vegetables like apples and carrots, which naturally clean your teeth as you chew. And let's not forget about water, nature's own mouthwash. Staying hydrated helps wash away food particles and keep saliva flowing, which is essential for neutralizing acids in your mouth. Regular checkups. Prevention is better than drilling. Let's be honest, no one enjoys a dental visit. But avoiding your dentist until you have a toothache is like waiting until your car breaks down to get an oil change. Regular checkups every 6 months allows dentists to catch small problems before they turn into expensive, painful nightmares. Plus, professional cleanings remove tartar buildup that brushing alone can't handle. So think of it as an investment in keeping your teeth and your wallet happy. Conclusion. A solid daily tooth care routine isn't just about avoiding cavities. It's about maintaining your health, confidence, and even your social life. Because no one wants to be the person with dragon breath. Brushing, flossing, mouthwash, a healthy diet, and regular dental visits are the key ingredients to a smile that lasts a lifetime. So take care of your teeth and they will take care of you. Literally, because once they are gone, they are gone. We hope you got some value from this video. For more such content, subscribe to our channel. Stay fit, stay sharp, and we will see you in the next video.